Yeah. Okay, let's go to the next house. Okay. Good boy, Anderson. There you go. Okay, up here. Good job. Ring the doorbell. Good. Now what? Wait there. Wait at the door. You can do it. You can do it. Wait right there at the door. What do you say? And then when she comes to the door, you're going to say something.
Hello.
What do you say? That's right. Good boy.
Good job, buddy.
Good job.
There you go.
Now what do you say?